Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to easily check the word count in Google Docs. Whether you're writing an essay, a blog post, or a product description, knowing your word count is essential. Let's dive in. 1. See the word count for your entire document. If you want the word count for the entire document, go to the Tools menu at the top, select Word Count. A window will appear showing you the total number of words, pages, and characters. Click OK to close the box. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, Chromebook, and Linux, press Ctrl-Shift-C. On Mac, press Command-Shift-C. 2. Find the word count for certain text. If you need to check the word count for specific text, highlight the text you want to count by dragging your cursor through it. Then, use one of the actions above. Either go to Tools, Word Count, or use the keyboard shortcut. You'll see the number of words for the selected text in relation to the entire document. Click OK to close the window when you're done, and there you have it. Checking the word count in Google Docs is a breeze. Happy writing!